good way. We all tired of eating the same thing. Make some cupcakes, make some cake, make some baked beans and mac and cheese and some soul food. Welcome back to my channel, Nails on a Dime. I'm Janaya and I'm back again with another video. No, this is not about nails, not about hair, none of that. I'm coming with something different, something unique. Well, it's not unique, but something unique in my own way. Today I'm going to be talking about 14 different ways that you can make money in college. College is the perfect opportunity, if you don't even already know, to start a business, like to just hustle, because nobody wants to be sitting there working on 9 to 5 and having to juggle all that college work. Because look, I'm not. So I got my notes and we're just gonna jump right in. So I pretty much have the topic divided into two categories. You got the ones that don't know where the talent is, or they don't really have like a hobby or something that they could really like start a business into. And then the second category is the ones that have like a passion or something that they could build off of and make a business out of. So the first thing I have is cleaning, organizing, and decorating dorms. That is just an easy way to just hustle, like make some money. Most people don't even want to clean up after themselves. So if you just come in like, oh, I'll pay you such and such and such to just, you know, clean your room, do your laundry, bring your clothes back up, I'll organize, have everything nice in certain areas to where you can find it, you know, just cleaning or organize somebody's room. Second thing is decorating. For all the people that are very crafty and have like an eye for like interior design or anything like that, one, if you already know the person, you could pretty much have them give you the money, like, oh, I'm gonna have a budget of like $500, just give me $500 and sign me like a 50, or give me $600 and I will do all the shopping, have everything there. All you have to do is just put it in your room and I'm gonna come and decorate and all of that. So that's the first thing. Second thing, if you're really good at school and you really know what you're doing and you really understand, pay to do somebody's work. Like, look, I be needing it now, because online you could have somebody online do your work, but they gonna charge you like $75 for like something crazy like 3 discussion posts. I'm looking like, really? But be reasonable. Like, charge somebody like $15 to $20 to write like an essay, depending on how many papers it is. Like, and if they know like you give them an A on that first paper, they're gonna keep coming back to you to write their paper. So that's just a good way to just get in. And like, you know, I don't condone paying somebody to do somebody's work, but if that, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. But just, you know, stay within the school guidelines. Don't let anybody find out, because that's kind of like plagiarizing. But you know, I'm not trying to, I don't really care about all that. But anyways, third thing is door dashing. Like, that's just a side hustle that you could do, not even just in school, but it's a really good way to just make fast money. Just if you got a car, you gotta have a car. But if you have a car, that's just like another way to just make money, just delivering food to people. And with also that with cars, you could be on-campus Uber driver or anything like that. If you know students want to go somewhere, I mean, it kind of like defeats the purpose of Lyft and Uber. But if you charge cheaper than that, or just, I don't know, like, you could really just make some money just driving people around. Take me to the store, take me here, take me there. And then also that too, I don't condone drugs. Don't do drugs, kids. Don't do drugs. But you could be a plug, like a traveling plug. Like, you could, if you're 21, oh, I got some liquor, I got some this, like what you need. And you could just make some money. But again, don't do drugs. Y'all didn't hear that from me. So that's pretty much it. I don't even know how many that was, but that was pretty much it for the you don't have a hobby or occupation yet. So this is for the other categories. So the first thing, of course, is nails. Like, learn to do nails. I have so many videos on nails and how you can start your own business, your own nail business in college. Go ahead and check that out. Check that out if you haven't already did. Okay. You have hair, makeup, hair and makeup. You could do somebody's hair. You could do silk presses. You could do braids. You could, you know what I'm saying? You could do makeup, like be a traveling makeup artist, like, you know what I'm saying? And then you can go deeper into it. You could sell lip glosses. You could sell eyelashes. You could sell like some cute stuff, like phone cases, like some cute bougie stuff. Like we want that, like, right? So that's just another way to just make easy money. Like you don't even have to have a talent like selling lashes. You just sell lashes. Just have a good way to promote and network. And that right there that's your own business. Also with that too, I know like with the whole lip gloss thing, you could sell like body scrubs, lip scrubs, like shea butter, like some type of fancy
no.
Nice stuff like body shimmer. Like get creative. Like there is so many ways that you could start your own business and so many things that you could start your own business on. You just have to like find something. And this is for like all my techie people that are good with, you know, applications and technology and all that. You could be a photographer. That's the first thing, a photographer. But you don't really have an eye for things like that. You could be a graphic designer. You can make logos, you can make business cards, you can make flyers, you can make custom t-shirts, you can, you know what I'm saying? Like there is so many things under that category too that you can be doing. And that also falls under doing people's work and stuff like that. Just, you know. And then also with that too, not just tech, but if you have like a really good hand, that also falls under like graphic t-shirts, you know, painting like custom denim jeans and having like the jean jacket and they have like the little painted design on the back and, you know, just selling art. Like, I don't even know where it is. I don't know where, it's not even here, but I have a painting of me, just a painting of me. And I've seen a couple people that have personalized paintings of them in their room. So that is also a good way to just pay people to just draw self-portraits or just draw certain things. Like if you're really good with art, then I suggest that too. And also tattoos. I mean, I think you have to have a license with that. I don't know how it really goes, but you could be a tattoo artist. You could, you know, I don't know the steps to be a tattoo artist, but that's something too that you could do if you're really good with hands. And that also falls into the craft category. I completely forgot, y'all. Another thing with tech, if you're like really good with tech too, you can DJ. You can make beats, you can host parties and pay people like not $5. I mean, some people did charge $5 to make them parties, but $2 entrance fee or whatever. Like you just host a party yourself and you DJing at that party, like that is a way to make money. And if you're really good at it, people are gonna want to like, oh yeah, that's DJ Smoke, that's DJ peanut butter and jelly, like that's DJ Eminem, like oh yeah, he DJ, he fire, like he hard, you know, he hard, like so we finna push up, you know what I'm saying? So that's another. With the whole sewing, like if you really have a good hand with sewing, you can sell custom game day shirts. You know, I did look into that and wanted to do that, but I don't know if that's gonna, you know, because I'm not really good with sewing, but I know there is ways that you can make custom game day shirts or just custom shirts or just revamping shirts and you don't even have to sew it. So that's just something, you know, everybody loves their school, they want to support their schools, and the perfect way to support your school is to wear your game day shirts, your you know, college shirt to the games. And you know, nobody wants that basic ass shirt. Like you want something unique, like something, ooh, that got like a nice design, it got cutouts and all of that. Like do that. Like you can make some good money. Like you don't even have to buy the shirt. It's just, oh, give me the shirt and I'll customize it for $15. That's an easy $15 right there. So my last two things is, the first one is a stylist. It's not really, you know, prevalent or popular, but there is people that, you know, want to have like birthday shoots, they want to have graduation shoots, they just want to have regular shoots and they don't know what to wear. Like you could be like a traveling stylist, or there's people that might be doing photography at your school and they might want to have a concept and they want like a makeup artist, they might want a stylist, they might want, you know, a nail tech, like they might want all those things. So it's just really a good thing to just do, like especially if you're really good with, if you have an eye and you're really good with clothes and just picking up pieces and making outfits pop. Like that's something that you should do too. And my last thing is for those that can cook. All my chefs for all these out there, cook. Like make your own cooking business, make your own bakery business. Like we get tired, like my school, we don't have a variety of food. Like we get tired of eating the same old. And sometimes, like me, my freshman year, I didn't have a car. So I'm just eating, like, you know what I'm saying? If I don't want to eat the food on campus and I don't have money for DoorDash or, like, you know what I'm saying? DoorDash be charging, like, the $5 fee and all that extra stuff. I don't got money for all that. But if you right there and you got, like, a kitchen in your apartment or your dorm or whatever, whip up some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Make some, especially if you're West Indian like me. Bro, people will go crazy for some West Indian food. You know what I'm saying? Like that jerk chicken, like, bro, that is a good way. We all tired of eating the same thing. Make some cupcakes, make some cake, make some baked beans and mac and cheese and some soul food. Like we want something different. But yes, just being creative, like add your own twist on things. And college, like I said, college is the perfect opportunity to just start your own business and just branch out and start trying new things. Try some new hobbies. If you never even sewn or you never even cooked before, go to the store and get you some cooking stuff and just try it. Like you might be good at it. You never know. So this is pretty much all that I have for you guys today. It is very short and to the point because I'm gonna just keep it real. Like I'm not gonna sugarcoat, I'm not gonna hide nothing. I'm just be straightforward. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any video suggestions or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.